Hey guys, I'm here to talk about the LX Plus and how you guys can save money on gas. You don't have to plug this into a generator. It's made to be plugged into your electric outlets in homes where you have the dryer and washer. It comes with a cord. All you need is extension cord and plug it right in there. That 220 is enough to power all of the vacuums. It's got 3 vacuums. It's got the 1000 PSI adjustable pressure pump. It also has the automatic pump out, so it stays in your truck, and all you're doing is running extension cord from here to the house, and that's it. And you save what, $5, $6, $7 a gallon for gas. That's it. Thank you.